You might be in an overflow of negative emotions because you have thoughts that are perpetuating the emotions, right? So, because what we have, the emotions well up, we have them, and if we just feel them, they'll pass through 90 seconds. They'll pass through and then they'll be done. But we have the thoughts that perpetuate the emotions, and we run the thoughts over and over and over again. We expand the thoughts. We have all the different scenarios of how terrible things can be, which keep us in the loop of negative emotions. To break the cycle, we feel the thoughts, recognize that, oh, that thought pattern isn't serving me. Let me choose something else. This is where your meditation practice is the backbone of your health and well-being, because by choosing the mantra in meditation is giving you the focus, consciousness, and awareness to be able to choose my thoughts outside of meditation and say, oh, that thought pattern doesn't serve me. Let me look at it. Let me work on it with my coach and see what the real problem is so we can let it go and I can move past this. And that's likely going to hurt because one, looking at ourselves is painful. Take it from me. If you do it enough, it gets easier. The universe will present you with deeper things to look at that are going to hurt again, that are going to hurt some more. And then you'll have better problems.